Turn on power switch. Get into the cab. Put down the left armrest box. Check whether the emergency stop switch is back to original position. Switch the ignition lock to on position. The display is turned on and enter into the working condition selection page. Boom page. Outrigger page. Counterweight page. With counterweight. Without counterweight. Parts of line page. Hoist page. Main hook. Auxiliary hook. Main hook and auxiliary hook. Flight jib selection page. Without flight jib. With flight jib. Home page description. Prompt area. Date and time. Alarm display area. Operating condition display area. Boom status. Outrigger status. Counterweight. Parts of line. Length of flight jib. Load moment display area. Load moment status. Actual load weight. Load moment %. Rated load weight. Wind speed. Crane attitude display area. Angle of boom head. Boom length. Tally to boom length. Boom angle. Boom tip height. Working radius. Outrigger parameter display area. Superstructure swing angle. Outrigger extending status. Accumulated operation hours. Fuel level %. Hydraulic oil temperature. Engine coolant temperature. Engine oil pressure. Engine speed. Battery voltage. Traveling parameters display area. Engine speed. Transmission gear oil temperature. Travel direction and transmission gear. Engine coolant temperature. Engine oil pressure. Mileage. Traveling status. Transmission gear high or low. Travel mode manual or auto. Steering mode. Fuel level %. Battery voltage. Travel speed. Transmission gear oil pressure. Operation page. Air conditioner page. Auxiliary operation page. Load charts page. Set page. Virtual wall page. Set working radius. Set tip height. Maximal boom angle. Minimal boom angle. Superstructure left swing angle. Superstructure right swing angle. Brightness adjustment page. Time set page. Date set. Time set. Language set page. Language selection. Metric unit. US unit. Information page. LMI page. System information page. Bus and monitoring page. CAM bus information. Analog input. PWM proportional valve output. Digital output. Digital input. Joystick information. Engine page. Load weight page. Time page. Optional. Troubleshooting page. Home page. Working condition selection page. Password input page. Cigarette lighter. USB interface. Left control lever. Control the horn, turn signals, windshield wiper and windshield washer. Pull the lever up. Right front and right rear turn signals flash. Pull the lever down. Left front, left rear turn signals flash. Windshield wiper. Select the windshield wiper operation mode by rotating the lever knob in circular. Windshield washer. Press the windshield wiper switch. Horn operation. Press horn switch to ring the horn. Left turn indicator. Parking brake indicator. Right turn indicator. Switch for park brake. Switch for hazard lights. Switch for headlights. Right control lever. Control the direction of travel and the transmission shift. Pull the lever up for forward. Pull the lever down for reverse. Select the gear position by rotating the lever knob in circular. Gear 1, Gear 2, Gear 3. Load moment indicator LMI screen. Outrigger control and steering mode control panel. Switch for transmission automatic control. Switch for emergency mode, not used. Switch for transmission high gear. Switch for front wheel steering. Switch for rear wheel steering. Switch for four-wheel steering mode. Switch for crab mode. Switch for left front outrigger pound 3 selection. Switch for right front outrigger pound 2 selection. Switch for left rear outrigger pound 4 selection. Switch for right rear outrigger pound 1 selection. Switch for all 4 outriggers selection. Switch for outrigger jack retracting. Switch for outrigger jack extending. Switch for outrigger beam retracting. Switch for outrigger beam extending. Ignition switch. Use the ignition switch to turn on or turn off the engine. The ignition switch has 4 gears: off, ACC, on, and start. Overhead control panel. Switch for marker light, aircraft warning light, and counterweight warning light. Switch for turntable work light. Switch for outrigger work light. Switch for hoist work light, not used. Switch for cab rotation beacon light. Switch for cab tilting up. Switch for cab tilting down. Switch for cab foothold extending. Switch for cab foothold retracting. Switch for instrument backlight. Switch for skylight wiper. Switch for air conditioner. Dome light. Boom telescoping, retracting pedal. Step forward for boom extend. Step back for boom retract. Travel brake pedal. Throttle pedal. Left joystick. Turntable free swing switch. Switch for high-low speed auxiliary hoist. Press and hold the engine switch. Push the left joystick forward for the auxiliary hook will decline, and push it backward for raise up. Press and hold the enable switch. Push the left joystick to the left. Turntable will turn to left, and push it to the right. Turntable will turn to right. Left armrest control panel. Superstructure mode switch. Switch for turntable lock pin in. Switch for swing lock pin out. Boom pin switch, not used. Cylinder pin switch, not used. Cylinder pound 1, pound 2 shift switch. Indicator light is off. Shift to telescope cylinder pound 1 for operation of boom tele 1. Indicator light is on. Shift to telescope cylinder pound 2. For telescope, operation of boom tele 2, tele 3 and tele 4. Operation high gear switch. Override switch. Swing forbidden switch. Telescope forbidden switch. Auxiliary hoist forbidden switch. Right joystick. Switch for high-low speed. Main hoist. Horn switch. Press and hold the enable switch. Push the right joystick forward for the main hook will decline, and push it backward for raise up. Press and hold the enable switch. Push the right joystick to the left. Boom laughing up, and push it to the right. The boom laughing down. Right armrest knob panel. Home page switch. Operation page switch. Set page switch. Information page switch. Multifunction knob. Turn the knob clockwise or anti-clockwise. Move the cursor to different option icon in the same area or change the value after confirmation. Press the knob. Confirmation of selection, or shift between outrigger working status and traveling status. Push the knob up, down, left, and right. Switch among option icons of different level as the movement direction indicates. Alarm silencing switch. Main hoist forbidden switch. Boom lift forbidden switch. Override switch. Emergency stop switch. Press the switch down to shut down the engine. Level gauge. Wireless remote controller. Power switch. Emergency stop switch. Left counterweight cylinder extension. Left counterweight cylinder retraction. Right counterweight cylinder extension. Right counterweight cylinder retraction. Counterweight lock pin extension. Counterweight lock pin retraction. Horn. Wired remote controller. Plug the wire remote into the reserve socket on the right side of the turntable. Fly jib extension. Fly jib retraction. Lock pin pull out. Lock pin insert.